Hi guys, Miss Frias here, ready for another sound lesson with you guys. Today we're going to start off with some review, some phonological awareness. I'm going to say a word, and then you are going to repeat the word, and then together we're going to clap out the sounds that we hear in the word. All right, your first word is lake. Say lake. Good. All right, sounds. Lake. Lake. Good. Your next word is cake. Say cake. Good. Sounds. Ache. Cake. Your next word is make. Say make. Good. Sounds. Ache. Make. Awesome. Your last word is rake. Say rake. Good. Sounds. Ache. Rake. If you guys were listening carefully, you could probably hear that the words lake, cake, rake, and make all rhyme. Rhyme is that ending sound that we hear in all of those words. Do any of you know what the rhyme in lake, cake, make, and rake is? Good. The rhyme is ache. All of them have a different onset, okay? Lake is ache. The onset is the rhyme is ache. Lake. Same with make, ache. Onset is and the rhyme is ache. Ache. Alrighty guys, good job with that review on rhyme. Today we are going to work with a new spelling sound. Alright, this is a sound that we have heard before. This is just a new way to spell it. The sound and the spelling that we are going to work on is E says E. We have also learned about another way to make the long vowel sound E. We also learned that E, consonant E, makes the E sound. But today we're going to focus on this E spelling. All right, your turn. Say E. Awesome. Okay, we hear E many different times. All right, this word is eel. Eel. We also hear E in words like feel and words like free. Say feel. Good. Say free. Good. All right, your turn. Say E, k, blend. What was the word? Good. Eek. Down here, the sounds are sh, e, p. Blend the word. Good. What was this word? Good. It's sheep. All right. Awesome job with your E sound. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to read some words together. The way this is going to look is you are going to go ahead and say the sounds and then blend it together. Then Miss Frias is going to do the same thing so that you can check your work and make sure that you're saying it correctly. Alrighty, your first word up here. We see this red line, that's to remind us that our EE together like that says E. So don't forget we have a long E sound in there. Ready? Sounds? Good. And blend. Awesome. D, ear, deer. like the animal, a deer. Sometimes we see them outside. All right, down here. Again, we have this red line reminding us what an EE says. What does EE together say? Good. It says E. Let's not forget the ending on this word too. Sounds. Good. And blend. Good. B. Eats. Beets. Do you guys know what a beet is? It's a vegetable and it's super healthy for you. Alrighty, down here. What does this EE together tell me? What is this sound going to be? Good. All right. Sounds and blend. Good. Green. Green. Good. Like the color green. All right, up here. Sounds and blend. Good. Just. Just. All right, down here. We have a CH. What does CH say? Good. We've got our double E sound and an R. All right, sounds. Good. And blend. Really good job. We have ear, cheer. Like, woo, you're reading all your words. Cheer. Okay. And right here, we have sounds and blend. Good. We have eel, feel. Awesome job reading all of those words, guys. Really good practice with your EE sound in there. Alrighty, today we have 3 sight words that we are going to go ahead and practice. They are all spelled very similarly and they sound similarly. So, you guys, if you can learn one of them really well, it's going to help you remember and learn the others. Our first one is old. Old. My turn, read old. My turn, read old. My turn, spell O-L-D, old. All right, your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good, old. Your next sight word for today is told. Told. I told you it was going to sound like your first one. Told. My turn, read told. My turn, read told. My turn, spell T-O-L-D, told. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. All right, your last one is cold. It gets cold in the winter. Cold. My turn, read cold. My turn, read cold. My turn, spell C-O-L-D, cold. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. Alrighty. That being said, we're going to go ahead and we are going to practice some of our other ones. Okay. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to hold up a word. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to say it out loud, and then I'm going to repeat the word so you can check and make sure you're correct. All right, ready? Read. 2. 1. Toward. Over. Women. Woman. Boy. Other. Mother. Every. Brother. Do you remember? Old. Told. Cold. All right, really good job, you guys. We are going to go ahead and we are going to do some guided spelling, and then you are going to be done. That's our last thing for today. So, your first word is feel. If you feel sick, you go to the nurse's office. Feel. Don't forget, friends. Don't forget the sound we learned today and the spelling. Feel. It's really helpful if you go ahead and say the word back to yourself first before you write it down. Feel. If you need to clap out the sounds in the word, you can go ahead and do that. That's often helpful. Once you have it written down, go ahead and read it back to yourself, just to make sure you've written down all the sounds that you think that you have. Feel. If you have this written down for feel, you are correct. Go ahead and give yourself a big smiley face. Yay! Feel. Alrighty, your second word is green. Green is my favorite color. Green. This one's a little bit tricky because it's got a blend at the beginning. So make sure you're thinking about the sounds we learned today, the spelling. Think about your other knowledge. Think about the sounds you know. Green. This is going to be a helpful word to clap out to yourself. Green. I'm going to read what I wrote back to myself. Geen. Geen. That's not green. I need to fix something. Green. Gr. Grr. G-er. G-er. Green. Much better. Now it says green. If this is what you have written down, then you are correct. Go ahead and give yourself a smiley face. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. All right, your last word for me is a sight word. And this is a tricky one because there's 3 different ways to spell this word. Your word is two. I have 2 sisters. I'm not saying I want to go to the store. I'm not saying I like ice cream too. I'm saying I have 2 sisters. So this 2 is the number 2. How do you write the number 2? Alrighty, friends. If this is what you have, then you can go ahead and give yourself a smiley face. TWO. That is how we spell the number 2. Like I have 2 sisters, I have 2 hands, I have 2 legs.